The Learning Center provides free tutoring and academic coaching for all Ball State students. We hold over 30,000 sessions per year. Most Ball State students take advantage of the Learning Center services at some point before they graduate. You are not alone, and you're making a great choice. Tutors can help you with content in specific classes, and we also have writing tutors to help with any writing assignment. Academic coaches help with study skills, getting organized, time management, and just learning how to be a successful college student. To make an appointment with a tutor or academic coach, go to my.bsu.edu. Scroll down to Additional Tools and click on TutorTrac. If you scroll down, you'll see the written instructions for how to make an appointment with a tutor or academic coach. In the upper left-hand corner of your screen, simply click on Search Availability, and then click the drop-down menu for Center and select Tutoring Desk. Under Section, all you need to do is choose the class you need help with. You should see all the classes that you're enrolled in for this semester, and there's a few other options as well. Every student has access to academic coaching, to GRE math if you're going to be taking the graduate record exam and need some math help, or writing if you need a writing tutor for help with writing in any class. So click the class that you need help with, and then click Search. You'll see the available days and times for tutoring for the next week. If you find a time that works for you, go ahead and click on that time. Once you're into your appointments entry card, you'll notice that weekly is automatically checked. If you would like a weekly appointment, it will be booked all the way to finals week. That's why you see all these dates here. If you don't want a weekly appointment, you just want to meet one time, you can uncheck this box. Then you'll need to enter your email, and then any notes that you want your tutor to be aware of. Then scroll down a little bit, and you'll see a question, would you like to sign up for text messaging reminders for your appointments? If you would like to opt into this, click Yes, and then you'll wait a few seconds for the address that you'll need to send a text message to. You must text to this address within 15 minutes. Or you can click No to opt out of that. And then click Done. Click OK. And then to save this appointment, click Save. Okay, while you're in TutorTrac, if you would like to make an appointment for any other class, you can start the process over again by going to Section and choosing the next class that you want to look for a tutor for. And then you'll click Search and you'll start the process all over again. Please note that you must make your appointment 24 hours in advance. If you need a same-day appointment, please call 765-285-3780 and we'll try to find you a spot. There may be up to 3 other students joining you in your tutoring appointment. If so, they will all be in the same class with the same professor. A small group like this has a lot of advantages, as you can share notes and learn from each other with your tutor as a guide. You can also cancel sessions using TutorTrac. When you're in the main menu, you'll see all of your upcoming appointments. And if you'd like to cancel one, you simply click the X. And then enter your reason why. and click Confirm Cancellation. If you have a weekly appointment and just want to cancel the appointment for one particular week, follow these instructions. If you want to permanently cancel a weekly appointment, please call 765-285-3780 and we will take care of it on our end. Please be aware of our Learning Center tutoring and academic coaching attendance policy. If you have one no-show or two cancellations for all of your appointments, any and all tutoring and/or academic coaching appointments, your weekly appointment may be canceled and you may be blocked from making any future appointments online. If this happens, please call 765-285-3780 right away so we can help you work through these issues. Once you have made an appointment, you will receive an email from your tutor with a WebEx invitation and link for your tutoring appointment. That email will arrive the evening before your session, most likely around 9 p.m. or later. If you made a same-day appointment, keep checking your email until you find it. Just click on the link to get into the session. If you've never used WebEx, it's easy. Once you click the link and get into your session, you'll be able to unmute your microphone here and your webcam here. And then you can click Start the Meeting. So when you're in your actual tutoring session, you'll see your tutor in there. And you'll want to go ahead and unmute your mic and your video cam so you can see and hear each other. You'll also be able to share your screen so you and your tutor can look at your Canvas course site, other web pages, Word documents, or PowerPoints. When you mouse over the bottom, you'll see this little Share Content icon, and when you click on that, you'll see that you can share all kinds of things. You can share Word documents, PowerPoints. If you just share your screen and then you browse to your Canvas course site, your tutor will see that as well. So your tutor is able to walk you through those processes. You can also do a whiteboard, which is nice if you're doing math or chemistry or something where you need to work through problems together. Once you get into your WebEx session, your tutor will be able to walk you through all of the finer points. But if you have any trouble connecting, just email your tutor and let them know, and you can work through it together to get you connected. Any questions? Call 765-285-3780. The tutoring desk is open Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., and Friday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for the latest updates. We're here to help.